Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along your own pace. So first we're going to get started by drawing in a big arch line on the top for the bottom brim of the hat where the hair is going to fall. So we'll start on our left hand side and we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line, stretching this across to the right. Underneath this now we can start with the hair. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to curve this line out and over to the right hand side. And then from that point, again, just curving this around and through towards the top. Let's step over. We're going to leave a small gap, curving this down towards the left, making this line shorter. And then again, from that point, just bringing this back through towards the top. Let's curve this back out, curving this across on the side, pulling that back up. Stepping underneath on this line, curving this out, stretching that back in. Now let's focus on the right hand side. So starting just beside this line, we're going to curve this over and then we're going to pull this back up on the side. Now let's close this off. So we're going to curve this down, curving that back through towards the top. Let's come underneath, curving this down, stretching that back out. And we're going to end these at roughly the same height. It's okay if it's slightly longer. Let's close off the cheek. So underneath the hair on the left, we're going to curve this line in on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's close out the chin. So we're going to draw two diagonal lines coming in. So we're going to round out that corner slightly. And we're going to pull this through towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side, centering that in the middle. Now let's come up on both sides, curving this out towards the top. Let's add in the ears. So underneath, we're going to draw in a half circle, connecting this in towards the head. Let's add in a small detailed line. So on the top, curving this out, pulling that back down. Coming underneath, curving this around, pulling that back in. Let's continue to close off the hair. So beside the ear here, we're going to arch this out, pulling that back up. We'll come over again on the left-hand side, curving this out, pulling that back in. And then one more time, arching this through. And then we're going to close this off by dragging this line underneath our line on the top. Let's focus on the right now. So again, lining this up at the same height on the right, we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back through. Again, curving this over. And now from that point, we're just going to drag this back in underneath that arch line. Let's add in the details in the face. So coming down in the center for the nose, right in the middle, we're going to curve this line down and out. And then we're going to draw a small diagonal line on the left. For the nostril on the right, lining this up at the same height, we're just going to curve a small diagonal line across. Let's come over for the eye. Stepping up on a diagonal on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And then we'll step across, lining this up at the same height, and we're going to replicate that on the right. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for that pupil. And then we're just going to color those in black. Let's add in the eyebrows. So on the left-hand side, we're going to pull our diagonal line through. And then on the right, we'll do the exact same thing, arching that across underneath the hair. We're going to add in a small little scar here underneath. So we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal. And then in the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming over on the left, we're going to pull this line down on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll just connect these together with a slight curved line in the middle. Let's continue to close off the neck now as we come down. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal, flaring that at the bottom slightly. Now let's add the hair underneath. So we're going to curve this line out on each side. We're going to draw a small diagonal line coming down, pulling that back up. And then again, one more time, bringing this down, bringing it through towards the chin. Now from here, we can add in the hat. So we're going to start in the center, just up above this line, curving this around. We're going to pull this down towards the left. We're going to do the exact same thing, leveling this out on the top, pulling this down, ending that at the same height on the right. Let's continue to round this out. So from that edge, curving this in, we're going to pull this through towards that hair. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now let's come up for the top of the hat. Coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this around, pulling that in towards the center. And then we'll start back on this line on the top, curving this around, pulling that down on the right. Let's move up. We're going to curve this line over towards the right-hand side. Now let's continue to draw in the body. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, curving this line out for the shoulders. Let's move in behind, coming up. We're going to draw a line that comes out, just making this one slightly shorter than this line on the bottom. And then now from here, we're going to curve this down, connecting that, pulling that in. Let's straighten this out on either side. And now we'll close that off with a slight curved line in the middle. Let's come back up. We're going to step up from this line, pulling this line over, curving that out. And then we're going to flatten this out, bring this down to the bottom. Now for the shoulder, let's extend this. We're going to curve this out. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now coming in on the bottom, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this out towards the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And we're going to end this so it ends on a diagonal from our line on the top. Now let's round out that shoulder. So we're going to curve this around, bringing that back down, connecting that together. Let's come in and add the details now. So we're going to start with the button on the left-hand side. So we're going to start with a circle on the top left. And then we'll come down underneath that, replicating that, drawing in our last one. Let's add in the details up above. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, pulling that back in. We'll do the same on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to bring this back up towards the top. Now let's come over. We're going to curve this through towards the top, ending that at the same height. And then now from here on the left-hand side, bringing this through, and exact same thing on the right. Now let's add in the details in the center. So we're going to draw in a small straight line coming down in the middle. For those collarbones stepping up, diagonal line coming out, stretching that through. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to draw in that cross in the center now. So this is going to be a little bit of a random pattern. So right in the center, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out, pulling that up and through. Again, extending that out, curving that down. And then we're going to pull this line across to the left. We'll do the same on the right. So we're going to bring this line up, down, and out. Again, curving this down, up and over. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down from that corner. And then we're just going to draw some jagged edges again as we pull this down and through on a diagonal on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down in the middle. I'm drawing a little dot there. So now we can kind of center ourselves. So on the left, pulling this out, up, and over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. This doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. Just a jagged edge coming down on a diagonal. We'll finish this one off on the left-hand side. Now coming up, we'll bring this line around. Another jagged edge coming through, connecting that. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Connecting that together. And that is it. That's how you draw Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.